Here I am up a Doug-fir tree in a root disease pocket in Olympia, Washington. There's a lot of trees underneath, so we're working with climb high, cut small. So I'm using a base tie from down below here, and I've advanced it up a good 15-20 feet. And here I am in 4-inch diameter wood on down, going over stubs as backups. And here we go. And the chipper's right there next to it, 20 feet away. The rest of these long limbs will get rigged right down and laid onto the chipper tray. I'm cleaning up the noticeably weak limbs and getting high rigging point, tie-in point set up here, and enjoying the view. So next step will be some more rigging down lower. This is well, I don't know. It's a good way up because I had to join my ropes together, and I don't buy short ropes. So it's pretty nice here. Capitol Forest in the background. Puget Sound right here. Wraps down to my customer's house way down Low Bank waterfront. And Mount Rainier's back over yonder someplace. So we do some vista pruning, Japanese maple pruning, holly removal, and big tree removal. We've got a big maple hanging over the secondary power lines. So Ganoderma and Crutzmaria, duo. So interesting times. And we do the preservation pruning on their ash tree, the umbrella tree over the deck for the 80-plus-year-old couple who don't have time to grow more shade. So we just keep preserving that ash tree with a preventative insecticide against emerald ash, and it's hollow as a drum. I'll probably put some cables on it, some guy cables, but that'll be a subject of another day's adventures in the Puget Sound.